Did you know on macOS Tahoe, there's this new feature that you can add another control center? Here's how you can do it. From the menu bar on the upper right, click the Control Center. Then navigate all the way down to click the Edit Controls. Again from the menu bar on the upper right, you can now see a plus icon. Click on it to add another control center. You can assign an icon for this new control center. Just click on it and choose your preferred icon. Select which one you can easily identify the icon. Then you can now add the controls and fully customize it to your liking. Drag any icon into the new Control Center customization panel. Or add them up whenever you see the green plus icon and selecting Add to Control Center. Some controls, like battery or now playing, might also have a Show in Menu Bar option if you want quick access from the top of your screen. Rearrange the icons is pretty neat. Simply drag them to any vacant or your preferred location. They will automatically adjust when necessary. You've got full control to make the layout work for you. The other icons are super cooperative. They'll automatically slide over to make room. No fuss. It's smooth as butter. Click Done afterwards. Now if you want to rearrange the new Control Center icon, simply hold Command on your keyboard, then drag it up. You're basically the boss of your Mac's layout now. Drag that Control Center icon or its controls wherever feels right. So here's the side-by-side access of your new control centers. Now if you want to remove the entire thing, simply hold the Command key on your keyboard and drag it going down. You will now see a remove text indicating that you can delete it whenever you release the mouse. And poof! It's gone from the menu bar. And there you go. Your Mac's control center is now totally your own. Whether you're dragging icons, adding new controls, or even kicking the whole thing out of the menu bar, you're in charge. Catch you later.